Hello and welcome to another Papercraft Society box reveal. Now today we are looking at box number 39. We are whizzing through these boxes. How many have you received? They're absolutely wonderful. So if you've not seen these before, they are a subscription box filled with over £60 worth of craft goodies. You've got things like stamps and dies and papers in there, all designed by one particular designer each month. This one is Helen Griffin of Simply Made Crafts. So I'm kind of guessing there might be some sort of memory keeping maybe theme to this, perhaps some 3D makes. We'll see when we go through. I never go through the boxes until I do it live with you on the reveal video. So if you want to find out more, you can go along to www.papercraftsociety.co.uk. There are different subscription options as well for you, but I'll go through all of those at the end. For now, let's take a peek at what's inside this month's box. So we've got some beautiful florals on this box. It's an ivory colour with some gorgeous gold foiling. I always rave about the boxes because I love to keep these. They look beautiful in my craft room, but they are also really handy storage. Now, first of all, we've got a little note from Helen. Bring your memories to life in the most creative way. So that does say maybe there's some memory keeping in here. A beautiful wallet. Now, this is often from a lot of you, your favourite part of the entire box is the wallet. You get so much in here. You've got the Velcro fastening, and then you've got the threefold, all those pockets, and there's lots of different things in here. So let's start with the stamps first. Oh, and do you know what? We've got two sets of stamps in this one. Sometimes we have stamps and dies, sometimes just dies. This time we've got two sets of stamps. Let me take one of these. Now I'm going to presume this is white on the back. Yeah. There we go, look at these, aren't they absolutely beautiful? So you've got florals here that match really well actually with the box, so the images that you've got on the box. You've got butterflies here as well, you can see these here. You've got arrows, perfect for things like bullet journaling on there. Beautiful icons. I think you're going to be using those lots, whether you are a card maker, a scrapbooker, whether you do mini albums and journals and scrapbooks. Yeah, whatever it is, I think you can use all of those images. And then this one is definitely for memory keeping. Look at all of these. So we have the tag, we have numbers, we have memories, explore, notes, planner, journal. It's very much sort of bullet journaling type theme here. We've got loved it, unforgettable, awesome time, nope, never again, best day ever, and thumbs down. They're good fun. And you've got your days of the week, all the good things. Today we made memories, camera icon there. Again, lots and lots you can be using for lots of different style of crafts as well. Then let's look at, well, shall we look at this since I've got it in my hand? These are, I believe, these are adhesive. They are. So they're an adhesive sheet full of all your months, your days and your numbers. So you can easily kind of just stick into your diary or your bullet journal, whichever it is, cut up and stick into those what you need. Let's just lift these out as well, pop that back. We've got pattern papers in here, but before I go into those, we've got some washi tape strips. Now these are beautiful as well. Let's just peel one of these away. They're lovely and opaque. Look at that, strips already cut for you. So you can pop those over. I'm just going to completely ruin this. Look, you can just see through. I love that. I really, really love that. So you've got all these different, because it's washi tape, look, it just peels straight back off again if you want it to without ruining the paper underneath. You've got all these different patterns. You've got leaves, you've got wood grain, you've got the polka dot florals in there as well. You've got thin ones too. These are two thin strips. Beautiful. I love washi tape. I use it for so many different things, especially journaling, particularly handy there. Then we've got the papers. So, oh, these feel nice. These kind of feel like a very matte, soft texture. Beautiful, one-sided. You haven't got to decide which side you're going to use. And beautiful florals. We've got, this is the dots that I believe is on the front, yeah, on the front of the wallet there. Love that colour, that teal colour. The wood grain actually goes really well with the background on my desk at the moment. But yeah, beautiful wood grain. I really love that. I love there's a lot of detail in it, but it's not too dark. And then you've got that beautiful kind of like a chevron tile effect in there with the gold between. It's not actually foil, but it looks like that sort of colour. Really like those. I could use those on a lot of different projects. Now, that's what's inside the wallet, but there's always more inside the tissue paper here. So let's just pop this to the side. and have a look. Now, again, I always keep the tissue paper and I use that for other things too. Excuse the rustling. Let's just take all of this out. Oh, wow, there's a lot in here. Okay, so let's pop this to the side and have a look what we've got here. So we have got, we've got journal cover in here. Let's just slip this cover off so we can see with the elastic around it as well. It's the craft material that you can decorate. And then you've got the holders, the elastic holders in here, and you're getting the notebooks, 3 different notebooks. So you've got one that's plain, and what you do, and I only know this because I've used these lots before in the past, I love that you're getting all of these in the box, is you open this up in half and you just slot your elastic into the middle and you can put each of these in. So we've got the plain pages, we've got the lined pages as well. Let's open that up and put that one in too. So you can see how you get these in. There's enough for, well, there's actually enough for 4 in there if you wanted to purchase more or put something else in there as well. You see they all slot in, and the third one will as well. And this one is your grid, absolutely perfect for your bullet journaling. Then we've got these lovely wooden pieces. So we've got journal, memories, planner, and notes. We've got a really lovely little metal bulldog clip. That's really cute. This pen as well, so this is a fine liner, absolutely perfect for bullet journaling. And then we have, this is the piece where I think is absolutely priceless, because you've got at least 16 projects in each one of these, and this is all completely, oh look at those, they're gorgeous, but completely using items from the box. So we've got step-by-step instructions in here, we've got lots of step-by-step written instructions as well, but also photos. These are beautiful, and there's some cards. Lovely Glennis has made some cards using the kit, so it's not, don't worry if you're not into journaling, you've not tried it before. You do have all the instruction you need within here, but you also have a lot that you can be making cards with too. We do have an interview with Helen there, so you can get to know her a little bit. That is beautiful. So that is using envelopes to make a memory keeping album. That's good fun, using elements from the box as well. We've got scrapbook pages, all sorts, so there's lots in there as well. So if you want to find out more about Papercraft Society and subscribing, here's a few of the details for you. So the contents, as I said earlier, are worth over £60. You do get free UK postage as well. This is just for the box. It comes to your door every month. You don't need to order each month or anything like that. If you are a subscriber, you'll automatically get it all around the same sort of time. We do have new designers every month, so it's a really good way of kind of switching up the style that you're crafting in. And there's exclusive online tutorials as well. You'll be invited to those once you receive your box. There's free downloads with every box too. Very often they are the papers that you're receiving, the pattern papers, so you'll be able to re-download those. But there's also sometimes other things you can download too, so you can just keep printing them off time and time again. You'll never run out. You can save over £6 on each box if you're getting a 12-month subscription. And at the moment, if you get a 6-month subscription, you will get a free pass box as well as a little thank you. You can pause or cancel your subscription at any time. And don't worry if you're not in the UK, this is available to you as well. And we also, within our Facebook group and via email, you will receive as a subscriber exclusive offers that are just for you, and not just on pass boxes either, on lots of different crafting items. So there's your sneak peek into box number 39. As I said, if you want more details or if you want to sign up for a subscription, you can go ahead to www.papercraftsociety.co.uk.